मिष्टी धोय, आलू पराठा, काठी रोल, कबाब्स, रॉशगुल्ला सिदार्थ गोवाचे बेंगॉली फूड फेस्टिवल 7 तारखेसावन सुरू जाता. बेंगॉली समाजाच्या नव्या वर्साक येवकार दिवंक हे फेस्टिवल.
Namaskar, welcome to Bengal in Goa. I would say this welcome to Bengal in Goa from the 7th to the 15th of April in Siddharth, Goa at our Cafe Azul restaurant. We are doing a food promotion, Bengali food promotion to celebrate the new year, the Shubho Novovarsh on the 13th that we'll be celebrating. So we are having a week-long food festival every day at dinner from 7:30 onwards. A very lavish spread, a very lavish buffet. Specialities of Bengal from the starters to, of course, the desserts. How can we forget the sweet desserts of Bengal? All your traditional starters, kati rolls, kebabs, chops, Mughlai paratha, rasagolla, mishti doi, and all such. Macher jhol, of course, how can we forget? Luchi, aloo poshtu, you name the specialities. There are so many of them that even I would not remember so many of them. The whole array of starters, main courses, desserts, everything would be served to you in a lavish buffet. Come to the Siddharth Goa at the Cafe Azul, 7:30 onwards, every day from 7th to the 14th to the 15th of April.
खेळांतल्यान देशाचो विकास करपाचे हेतान राष्ट्रीय स्किल मंत्रालय नवे जॉब्स तयार करपाक पुराय यत्न करतात. ब्रेस्तारा पणजे जाल्ल्या राष्ट्रीय परिशदेन जाणकार उलयले. देशभरान असो 6 परिशदी जाल्यात आनी पणजे जाल्ल्या परिशदेन दिल्ली आनी महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान खेळांतल्या जाणकारांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. स्किल कावन्सिलाची प्रतिनिधी रेखा डेन मंत्रालयाचो प्लान सांगलो.
Please put your hands together. Stay there on this side. Please stay there, sir.
And Goa was very important. In fact, Goa and Kerala, these are two states which any sports series of conferences cannot be complete if we do not touch upon Kerala and Goa. That's a fact we all know. Northeast, Goa and Kerala, these are the primary segments in our country where sports is naturally loved by people and people are involved in sports. To make the whole system get a good governance structure, the first thing which any sector skill council is assigned to do is to identify what job roles exist in the sector. When we say job roles, it does not mean just becoming an athlete who is competing at a district, national, international level. It actually caters to the huge number of support staff which is working to make the athlete happen or working for participation of people. Because sports is not just for elite performance and for winning medals for the country, it is also for our own life skill development, it is for our own health and social benefits. Government of India is promoting new training partners, as many as possible, to come on board, and especially established institutions who are there right now giving bachelor level courses. The government is trying to promote them to give short-term courses also, which is totally skill-oriented, where the internship and practical training is given more thrust so that people learn hands-on on how to deliver a job and are not restricted to classroom training. That's the whole idea.
कार्पेट ऑफ जॉय 1,50,000 प्लास्टिक बाटल्यो वापरून आर्टिस्ट सुबोध केरकरान साळगावा एक नवो लूक दिला. प्लास्टिक बाटल्यांनी तयार केल्ल्या फुलांचे हे 2,000 स्क्वेअर मेत्रात कार्पेट साळगावा शेतान दवरला. 3,000 वयर भुरग्यांनी ह्या प्रोजेक्टान वांटो घेतिल्लो.
We are here at Carpet of Joy, a work which I have created with 1,50,000 bottles. The whole objective of this Carpet of Joy is to make Goa litter free. We are going to attract the attention of the public through this work of art, because I believe that art has the power to bring about some kind of revolution. And today the revolution we are trying to bring about is litter free Goa, a very simple revolution.
We just go to people, we'll tell them, we take their meetings, and along with the meetings we keep our whatever the dustbins, our program ready for them. So here we explain it to them, and here we start with the program very next day. Subodh Kirkar here is known artist of Goa. I've seen his installations, artistic installations in Miramar for the film festivals. But this is something he's giving it back to the society. He's doing a wonderful job here. From the road it looks like flowers, but these are actually plastic bottles which are being picked up from the roadside.
इतल्यान हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.